storage are more and more common for commercial, but the systems have to be safe in several ways. How this can be possible, you learn now. Welcome to the booth of Chint Power. On my side, I welcome Luis Haya. He is Solution Manager at Chint Power.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Haya, Chint Power developed a turnkey solution for commercial storage. What is special on this storage system?
Well, we can talk about many features about it. We can highlight especially the safety, the EMS capabilities for configuration, phase and balance as well for all kind of applications in the CNI.
Yeah. What features do you have here for the safety?
So for the safety, we integrate a two-level fire suppression system. The first level is integrated in these battery racks we see right here. So if you have a problem in just one module, it will operate just in one module. And if we have a bigger problem and we need to use the fire suppression for the whole cabinet, we have here a gas extinguisher for system for this purpose.
What are the electrical features of the system?
Right. So we have a 125 kilowatt hour inverter, a kilowatt inverter, and we have a 271 kilowatt hour storage capacity for this. We know, for example, that it's very important that in industrial applications, sometimes there is some kind of imbalancement between the phases. So for this 125 kilowatt, we can output 46 kilowatt just for on one phase. So we can handle all the imbalancement of the system pretty well.
Yeah, and if a commercial needs more storage space?
That's a good question. We can integrate the system with up to 8 of these cabinets working in parallel. So we have a lot of flexibility in terms of the requirements for the customer.
Yeah, and what is then the maximum? The maximum volume of storage, how many kilowatt hours?
Yeah, it will be somewhere around 1.5 megawatt around there. Yeah, we can. The thing is, sometimes if you want something really big, we can also adapt and do something special.
Yeah, yeah. And how is the storage system managed?
So we have a software control, of course, EMS, and with this EMS we can do a lot of applications. With only this cabinet, which is a storage system, we can do all kind of things related to electricity saving cost. And also we can also do VPP, etc., etc. We have another cabinet. The whole solution can be only this, or we can integrate also another device, which is also a rack, and it's called STS. This STS provides backup functionality. In case there is a grid loss, the system will keep running with this other device, STS. Also, if you integrate the STS, you can also plug a diesel generator up to 250 kilowatt. And also we can work on or off grid with a PV plant. If you put the PV plant on the same side that you put the storage cabinet, in case you have some grid loss, you will operate as an off-grid system without any problem. And the switching time for this backup is 20 milliseconds or less. You know.
How fast can it switch into
20 milliseconds.
20 milliseconds.
Less than 20 milliseconds. Yeah, around. So it's like continuity. In industry, it's very important that we don't have. Of course, we don't have any big problem and it takes seconds or something because machinery can be damaged. So we have less than 20 milliseconds, which is required for this kind of operation.
And the system can also take part in the energy trade.
Yes, of course. You can use this for arbitrage or any other purpose. With the EMS, everything is integrated in there. We have this kind of function: peak saving, self-consumption, backup function, VPP, as you said, arbitrage, etc., etc., so on. It's everything. You can do almost everything with this. Mm-hmm.
And which are the target markets or the target customers for the solution?
This is commercial and industrial applications. We can think about hotels, little industries, or these kind of things, little or commerce that can rely on this for having a storage unit in case they want, and they can do all these functions with it. They can also have a, let's say, new line of business because of the arbitrage, which is going to be very popular. It is already, and so this is the main focus for the use cases.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Haya, for this amazing solution, for the information. And if you want to know more about the solutions of Chint Power, please use the website.